Oh, hey there. Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at two very inexpensive parts from my M4, probably the two cheapest things that I've bought, ready to use with the car. So we'll go over both of those. I know we're tempted many times when we shop online, and I thought of spending a little bit of money and trying these two things out. So first we'll start with this. You probably recognize what it is, BMW owners out there or Mini owners. So I'll show you where that goes. On BMWs and Minis, you have these rectangular receptacles that require a special part to seat properly in there. So one of these guys. So when you jack it up, you're not going to damage anything. So definitely a must-have purchase. Glad I picked that up. And let's have a look at the other thing I got. This here is probably something that might be janky or junky or garbage, but we'll try it out. So let's have a closer look at what this is. $3D-ShareAlike. Open special is different. Door lights upgrade parts. Bopan 2-piz LED logo proj ... ness. They couldn't just put projector, projectedness, who knows. LED car door light made in China. E39M. Oh, this is very good stuff here. 3D-ShareAlike. LED, all lowercase. New energy. Energy savings and environmental protection and low consumption lighting. Lowercase. Dedicated car. Easy installation. No need to change the vehicle. I didn't plan on changing the vehicle, but there's no need, so we're covered. 3D laser, a strong visual senses, more dynamic and more stylish. This is my life motto right here, more dynamic and more stylish. All right, let's see what we got here. Voila. Do you guys know what these are? I know what they are. Right, and I assume this one's left. Let me show you what they are. Okay, so on the M4, when you open the door, you get this nice courtesy light in the handle, but you also get a puddle light down here. So this replaces the puddle light. Now it's a little too light in my garage right now, or garage, whatever you prefer to say. So we can't really tell how bright it is, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this one in, and I'm going to change the driver's side. Then when it's dark outside, because even with these lights off, too much light gets in. When it's dark outside, I will show you without the replaced projector, and then I'll show you with it done on the driver's side. So let's get started. All right, we have a pick tool and a small flat screwdriver. Probably just need a screwdriver. Yep, there's a little notch right here. Very easy to get out. Not a lot of extra wires, so be careful with that. And then we have our new one right here. Hopefully it says what I ordered it to say. Maybe their version of left and right is different, or the plug doesn't fit quite right. Well guys, we hit a snag, they don't fit. So I sent them back. I ordered some other ones from a different vendor. and here they are. Packaging is goofy as you would expect. Leading the trends of car light upgrade, not upgrades. So I'm reading it exactly like it says. High efficient and energy saved. Working temperature -40 to 100 degrees Celsius. Rated voltage DC 9 volt to 30 volt. Shadow light 3D. Laser logo is fantastic. Original car tuning upgrade parts. So you know it's quality just based on the box. So these ones look a little bit different because they come with these adapter wires, but we hit another snag. So maybe that's the whole point of this video. Don't buy cheap products for your car to do a modification and expect them to work out well. So the snag we hit this time is they do fit, and they do come with these adapters that also fit, but one was shipped with only one contact pin, and there should be two. Try and get that to focus, and it should look like this. And the pins were bent inside, so I had to gently bend them just so these plugs would attach, so that's fine, that's minor. But this one's dead, doesn't work at all. This one here, which does fit on the passenger side, does work, so I'll show you. But because one's dead on arrival, I'm gonna send them back. And of course, trying to order the replacements, I got a hold of the vendor. The only option with them, if there's something defective, is to send it back. And if you reorder another one, well, right now they want more for the shipping than the product's worth. They want like $20 shipping for a $20 product or $18 product. So I'm just gonna abandon the whole project. But before I do, I will let you see what one looks like hooked up. So at least you can see what they do and how they look. And it's starting to get a little dimmer outside, so I think you'll still be able to see it in these conditions. So let me install this one. It's a really tight fit, but if you're interested, stick around and see. I'm not gonna force it in because I'm sending them back, but I think I'd have to shave a little bit of plastic here. I could push really hard and I know it'll go in, but I'd probably never get it out without breaking it. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, not close the door, and show you what the projected logo looks like on the ground. Okay, so there's the regular courtesy light and door handle, pretty cool. If we go over to this side, there you go. And you can rotate it. There's an adjustment, so you can spin it whichever way you want. But kind of neat when you get out. I won't close it all the way, so I don't want to break it. You would be met with that. Kind of neat. So the moral of the story, you get what you pay for. As you can see, it didn't fit quite right. This is the second pair, different vendor, and still not 100% functional or working or right fitment, whatever you want to look at. But that's the theme of my channel, is we try things out, try to do it ourselves. Whether it be new technology that I'm looking at and sharing with you what I've learned and considerations that I've made, or buying something and installing it. You can see what I've done, what I thought about. Sure, I make mistakes as I do things and maybe don't do it exactly the way you or somebody else would do it. But that's part of the fun, right? Is learning. So, if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you later.